We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max
Hi
software.
friends, today we will discuss about reorient option in 3ds Max. When it is on, reorients the attached spline so that its creation local coordinate system is aligned with the creation local coordinate system of the selected spline. First we are demonstrating an example for attach without reorient option. Reorient of attach Next, we will demonstrate how reorient option works in attach. Reorient on attach. Thanks for watching this video.